Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Series 4, Ecotech Fusion Intelligent Ideas Next Gen. Come, let's go into the video. First innovative topic, DESI Voice Reader, Regional Text-to-Speech Simplified. So a brief discussion about this. This is a AI-powered application designed to recognize printed or handwritten regional languages like Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Telugu, Kannada, etc. And it convert into natural sounding speech in the same language. So aimed at enhancing the accessibility, education and digital inclusion, the system enables the user to simply point a camera at a regional text and hear it aloud, making information more accessible to visually impaired, illiterate or elderly population. So it combines optical character recognition, that we call it as OCR, with text-to-speech TTS synthesis and supports multiple Indian scripts for real-time, accurate and expressive voice output. So with this, what would be the innovative things? Yes, script deduction intelligence means it automatically detects which language is present without needing manual selection. Accent localized voices. So this TTS is customized to match the regional accent and then it makes it familiarize with it and for better understanding. Low resource support. Here it is optimized for low-end Android devices commonly used by any rural area people. Educational use. It can help in learning to read and pronounce the regional scripts. What would be the future scope and extension? AI-based translation layer. So it adds optional real-time translation to other Indian or global languages. Voice commands. It allows basic interaction via voice for hand-free operation. Wearable integration. It means it has smart glasses or earphones with DESI voice reader embedded for its real-time use. Speech to text feedback loop. It adds some dictation modes for regional language writing aid. So this is a better innovation that we could see in the recent trends. Moving on to the next topic, reproductive health analytics using AI. So here this uses AI and it is an innovation healthcare project aimed at leveraging your machine learning and artificial intelligence to assist in early detection, classification and monitoring of reproductive disorders. So here it particularly focuses on PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease, and PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome. So here the system uses the patient health data, maybe hormonal levels, ultrasound findings, menstrual cycle patterns, insulin resistance, BMI, and some other system, so that it can train the machine learning models that can accurately predict the presence and the severity of PCOD or PCOS. So this approach actually can be significantly used so that it reduces the time to diagnose and assess the healthcare professional in treatment planning, and also helps in preventing the complications such as infertility, obesity, diabetes, and any cardiovascular diseases. What would be the innovation? Multi-parameter diagnosis. So here multi-parameter, it can diagnose different parameters. It is not only the PCOD, PCOS. As I mentioned, it can help you with insulin parameter, check the BMI or any other ultrasound findings, hormonal levels, all those. Automated risk classification. So here the patients are categorized into risk zones like low, moderate and high with tailored advice. Self-monitoring platform. That is, there will be an integrated app or a dashboard for the user to track the symptoms and hormonal patterns. Explainable AI. That is, it integrates the interpredictability tools. There will be a number of tools that has been using so that it can explain the prediction to the doctors and the patients. Future scope. Integration with wearable devices. Integration with wearable devices is obviously biosensors, smartwatches, so that it can monitor in real-time basis. AI-based diet and lifestyle suggestion. So obviously changing of lifestyle can help improve or manage PCOD and PCOS. Expansion to other disorders. So like endometriosis, infertility, menstrual irregularities, all those. Cloud-based health monitoring. So this can build a nationwide reproductive health intelligent platform to make awareness and make the people use it for better understanding and detecting in early stages. Third one, impact assessment of treated wastewater on public health in Bihar. So here this project focuses on one particular state. So this evaluates the health risk and benefits associated with the reuse of treated wastewater for irrigation and any other non-potable purposes in rural and semi-urban areas, especially in Bihar. So with the rising demand for the water and increasing urbanization, health remains under researched. So especially in Bihar, this becomes a very good focus. So the project actually uses some field surveys, water quality testing, and GIS mapping to track where and how the water is being treated that can be used, and it combines with some many data that can be acquired to access the health outcomes such as gastrointestinal disease, skin disease, and vector-borne illness. Innovative. What would be the innovative things? Integration of public health and GIS. That is nothing but it combines environmental monitoring with spatial health analytics. Focus on low income regimes. Community driven data collection, that is it engages local health workers and panchayat in data gathering. Policy oriented output, that is it generates actionable inputs for municipal bodies and environmental regularities. Future scope, real time monitoring, so it expands to real time monitoring with the usage of IoT. Climate resilience program. So this gives increasing water scarcity, awareness programs on water scarcity. Develop a mobile app for villages to report the health and water quality issues. Reuse policy and public health planning. So this influences the state level reuse policy and also the public health planning. Moving on to the next topic, that is automated detection and categorization of dry coconut based on texture features. So here the project is focusing on the development of an intelligent automated system for detecting and categorizing the dry coconuts based on their surface structures and visual features using machine learning and image processing techniques. So traditionally, grading the dry coconuts involves manual inspections, which is more subjective to the time consuming and prone to human error, obviously. So here this system introduces a non-destructive camera-based solution that keeps capturing the visual appearance of each coconut, extract texture related to the features, and uses some trained machine learning models to classify the coconut into predefined purity grades, that is low, high, medium, all those. Now, what would be the innovation? Non-destructive grading. Non-destructive grading, there is no physical damage to the product. Portable setup, scalable for the farms or to the factories. Fast and objective, that is it removes the subjectivity in quality inspection. Customizable model, it can be trained for other agricultural products like turmeric or any other nut production, all those. What would be the future scope? Integration with IoT, that is it is based on sorting conveyor system. Real-time grading application which uses smartphones, cloud-based classification, all those. Predictive yield analysis. It is based on grade distribution, high, low, medium, all those. Expansion to multimodal grading means it combines the textures, weight, internal quality, maybe the sound, vibration analysis, all included, which actually comparatively it is told as the texture features of a dry coconut. So hope you have learnt about still more innovative models that is actually in trend. Please stay tuned for more information. Thank you.